Intro. Welcome to our channel crazyherb. Today, we are going to dive into the wonderful world of honey and explore its various uses. So sit back, relax, and let's unravel the magic of this golden elixir. Main content. Now let us know the uses of honey. First, let us understand what honey actually is. Honey is a viscous fluid, ranging in color from yellowish to brown. It is mostly sweet, with the exception of Manuka honey from New Zealand, which has a slight bitterness to it. This incredible fluid is produced by bees, who collect nectar from flowers and transform it into honey. It is widely used as a food and is often referred to as the food of the gods. Additionally, honey is known for its medicinal properties and is considered a cure for many ailments. Honey for diabetic patients. Daily consumption of honey can help decrease blood sugar and cholesterol levels in diabetic patients. How honey cures sore throat. A mixture of honey, lemon juice, and peppermint can provide instant relief for a sore throat. Honey for chapped lips. Applying a drop of honey to the lips multiple times a day can effectively cure chapped lips. Honey for burns. In the case of minor burns, washing the affected area with cold water and applying honey can help soothe the skin. For severe burns, always consult a doctor. Honey for aging. Using a small amount of honey on the face daily can lead to smoother and spotless skin. Honey as an anti-stress herb. Mixing a tablespoon of honey into a glass of warm water and consuming it daily can help reduce stress levels. Honey as an immunity booster. Taking a tablespoon of honey with warm milk daily is one of the best ways to boost your immune system. Outro. And there you have it, the incredible uses of honey that go beyond just being a delicious sweetener. Whether you're looking to improve your health or enhance your skincare routine, honey has got you covered. So why not incorporate this natural wonder into your daily life? Remember to like, share, and comment on this video to spread the honey magic with others.